This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to train you how to use this web mats to make fascinator. You can use it like this to make fascinator, and you can place it on your fascinator cap and design it. Now, to use it ordinary without placing it on anything, what we do is that just the middle of it, take your needle and thread, form a shape at the middle here. You can see it. It will give you a shape at the edge. You can see it. Then you can fold it like this. You fold it into two. See it. Then hold it here. Hold it at the buttock and use it to form a design like this that you can use it to place on fascinator. Then take your needle and thread. The only thing I'm using on this training is my web mats, my Alice band, fascinator cup, and cremolini. I'm going to use a yard of cremolini. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to create my shape from the middle. You can use it to form a basket. Can you see it? You can use it to form a basket like this and other different design by using your hand to fold it. Now I'm going to use my needle and thread. You can use your fishing line to tack it. Now what I'm going to form, I'm going to fold it from the middle. Fold it. You can fold it in different ways to give you a design. Then I'm going to tack it. Tack it with your needle and thread. Look at it. I've tacked the middle to the back. Then take your another cremolini, which is 1 yard. I'm going to use it to make another style that I'm going to join on it. See my hands. I cuff it like this. You can see it. Then you tack. I'm going to make another one. My hand. Fold it. Place it on it. Like you are forming 8 shape. Then create another one the same way. This is splitting cremolini. I'm just going to use it to make a small bow. You can use it to make bow. You can use it to design on your fascinator too. It's cremolini or pleated one. This is 8 inches. I fold it together. Then I'm going to use my needle and thread. Do your hemming. Draw it together to form a bow. Can you see then? Let's take our design. These are web. Place it in the middle and place you arrange it the way you want it. You can do it like this. You can place this one under and place this on top. I'm now tacking it together with the web mats. You can see it. I've attached my design on the web mat. Then look at my fascinator cup, and I'm going to tack it on it. I advise I should tack it down. Tack it, you can see the design, see it on it. You can put your feather or your rose. At the middle, add your rose, tack it with it. Put your Alice band at the back. This is the Alice band. This is my wax candle gun. Put it here like this. Then place it inside your fascinator and gum it. You can use something to hold it in the middle so that it will not remove. Use your bias to hold it at the center. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.